Okay, in this section, we're going to talk about the cellular adaptive immune response. So learning objective 7 says to describe the cellular branch of adaptive immunity and name the key effector cells. So in a sense, we're going to do a quick review of T cells from the introduction that we did last week. So T cells can be broken into effector and memory cells. And if you look back at figure 12.2, you can see this in stage 3. The effector cells we learned had different subsets. The first way we can break up our effector cells, if we look at figure 12.6, they can be broken up into helper cells, which are going to be recognized by their cluster of differentiation 4 proteins, and T cytotoxic cells, which can be recognized by their cluster of differentiation 8 proteins. T cytotoxic cells, these are the ones that are actually going to go out there and take on the antigens and break them down and bring them under control. The helper cells are going to do exactly what they say. They're going to help. And if you look at figure 12.7, you can see that we have 3 different types. The T helper 1 cells are what activate cellular immunity, which are the other T cells, those cytotoxic cells. We have CH12 helper cells, which activate the humoral response, i.e. the B cells. And we have those T regulatory helper cells, which are going to help us to regulate the immune response. So when you hear about things like inflammation going out of control, or an immune system response like a cytokine storm going out of control, this is partially due because our T regulatory cells have been handicapped in some way and they are not regulating the process. So in the next learning objectives, we're then going to go through the 4 stages of the cellular response, which is, once again, all 4 stages are in figure 12.2, where we're going to talk about antigen presentation to a T cell, lymphocyte activation of T cells, how the T cells will proliferate and differentiate, and finally how those T cells will go and eliminate and or reside as memory cells in your spleen and lymph nodes.